Good morning, y'all. What's up? It's early. I'm out here. It's not too bright. It's about like 5:30, 5:45 in the morning. I'm gonna get out here, do some fishing, try to get some walleyes. Hopefully I can get onto them. I'll get back to you guys later when it gets a little bit brighter. Fish on, y'all. Doesn't seem too big, but it's a walleye. Oh, decent size. You got a teeth on those things. There you go. Keeper size walleye. I'm actually gonna keep this one for my sister. Says she wanted fish, so I got your fish, JJ. Where's my rags? I got you a fish. Guys, I just had a musky encounter. I was sitting here reeling this Rapala, and I slowed it up like right here in front of me, and all of a sudden I saw a musky come out. He hit it, but when I went to set the hook, he didn't really take the bait entirely, so I like hooked him underneath the mouth. And yeah, the fight was about to be on, and the minute he turned that way, he took off. But I definitely saw my first musky chasing this thing, chasing this Rapala I have here, this ghost color Rapala. It would have been crazy if I had it hooked up. Fish on. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't do this to me, y'all. Don't do this to me. Got him. Woo! Got him. I knew you were there. I knew you were there. And you had got my other swim bait before, bruh. Gotcha. Gotcha. Look at this musky, y'all. Yeah! Woo! Yeah, baby. Look at the mouth. He's got something in the back of his throat. Yeah! Yeah, baby. That's topping off my weekend right there. Musky and walleye. So, as you guys saw, I caught that musky. Get ready to let this guy go. Back in the water. Whoop, whoop. Take it easy, baby. Let him go so he can grow. Here we go. Oh, man. This is so sick. I can't believe I caught a musky, y'all. Come on, buddy. Oh, man. Bucket list, check. Some guys decided to come down on the river and they're fly fishing for muskies right now. I've never seen that done before. Saw it on TV, but not in person. Pretty cool. Hope they catch something. It'd be awesome to see that. So what's up, guys? I'm back. I'm gonna do round 2 out here. Hopefully I can hook into some more walleyes, and it'd be great if I get another muskie. I mean, that was the first muskie I've ever caught, so that was pretty exciting for me. Don't let this face fool you. I'm stoked on the inside. I'm just trying to play it cool right now. But yeah, I'm gonna get back out there. Hopefully we can get on some more fish. Yeah, just stay tuned. Got a walleye right here. First walleye on the second cast. Not bad. Gonna let him go. So here's my walleye. Letting this guy go. Let him grow. There he goes. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. There he goes. Yeah. Yeah, another small one. Another Waldo. Another Waldo, guys. It's not bad. he goes. Cookie cutter. It's about 15 inches, right? 15, 16? Yeah, let him go. There he goes. Fish on, y'all. Fish. Oh, man. It's a walleye. It's a walleye. Here we go. Oh, man. Yo, my lower back just locked up on me real quick running through that mud. Whew. But I got me a walleye, y'all. Oh. I can't bend over. Well, it hurts to move and bend, but got me a walleye. Those teeth. I'll show you. Oh, he closed his mouth on me. Look at those teeth, y'all. Roar. Let me see. I just want to get a quick measurement on him, and I'm gonna let him go. Not keeping no more fish. I already kept one for my sister, so she good. Okay. Guys, finally turned on. It's good. Okay, from there. This is come on, put your tail on, buddy. Why are you curling up like you're in Greece? 18 and a half incher. Right there's the mouth. 18 and a quarter. Fish on, y'all. Fish on. Another walleye. Another walleye. Come to Papa. There he is. Oh, man. Oh, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's another walleye. Here's the walleye you guys just saw me catch. Nice size. I'm gonna let this guy go. Ooh, slippery. And right here, send him on his way. Get a picture real quick. All right. Come on. Come on, little guy. Come on. You ready? So guys, this was the last fish I ended up catching for the night. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and always remember, fishing is life, so live it up. There he goes. Come on. Come on. My hands are freezing. Come on, Gotti. Come on.